Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you something every DevOps engineer, cloud engineer and developer must know. We are installing Docker on Ubuntu step by step from zero to running your first container. This is the latest 2025 method explained in simple English so even a beginner can follow. So grab your system, open your terminal and let's start like a pro. First we'll update our Ubuntu system. So we'll run the command sudo. I will increase the size of the screen. First, we'll update our Ubuntu system. So we'll run the command sudo apt update. So this makes sure your system has the latest package list and security updates. So this will take time depend upon your internet speed. First step we saw update your Ubuntu system. Second, we'll install the required helper package. So this package allow Ubuntu to download software securely. So I will copy the command, paste it here. So basically, curl will download the tool and here you can see CA certificate. So it will secure the HTTPS and here next you will see GNUPG. So it will verify the package and next you will see LSP release. So it will detect the Ubuntu version. So we'll run this command. So what I said, it will install the required helper package. Next command will see add a Docker official GPG key. So this will verify the authenticity of Docker package. So first we'll copy this command. I will clear the screen. I will increase the size a bit more. So don't worry, I will give the command in description. You can follow. Now this ensure the Docker package you install is real and safe. So we have added the Docker official GPG key. Next command will see add the Docker official repository. So Ubuntu needs to know where to download the latest Docker version. So I will paste the command. Press enter. So what happens? So this adds a new source for our system that contains Dockers. Next, we'll again run the sudo apt update command. So give sudo apt update. So it will take time, depend upon your internet speed. So this is our fifth step. We have update the package again. Now this sixth step will install the Docker engine. So I will copy the command again, paste it in our terminal. So I will explain the command. So basically docker.ce, it will download the actual Docker engine. Here you can see docker-ce. Next we have docker c-cli. So this is the command line tool. Next we have container c, it will run behind the scenes. So we'll press enter. Again it will take time on your internet speed. Next, after installing this, we'll verify by writing the command docker-dash version. After this will complete. It will take time. Internet is slow. So you can skip this part. Will take time. I think it's completed. And now the next command, step 7, we will check the version of the Docker we have installed. Docker dash dash version. Here you can see we have the version 29.1.1 is the latest one. So our Docker is installed successfully. Next step, if you again want to see what the status of Docker, I will first clear the screen and give the command sudo systemctl status docker. Command is. So here you can see our Docker is up and running, active since Monday. It's 48 again, 48 seconds ago. It's up. So here you can see it's up and running by using this command sudo systemctl status docker. Next, first I will clear the screen. Now, if we run the Docker PS to see the running container, so here you can see we get the like we don't have any container now, so it's not, no container is going. So we'll run our the famous hello world test. First we'll run docker run hello world. So it's unable to find latest, so it will download from locally. So it will pulling the image. It will take time. See, it's up and running. Will decrease the. See here you can see hello from Docker. It's downloaded. So one thing I have already run Docker without sudo. Here, if you have noticed, so for this, if you are installing first time, you have to run the command sudo. I will just give the command. I have already ran it. Sudo usermod dash ag and give the Docker $user. So what will do? This using this, you don't have to write sudo every time. Okay. Now, if you run this command, you will run without using sudo. So I have already run this command, so I will not run it. And if we keep docker ps after that, so it will see give the container. We don't have any container right now. So in this way, you can install and run Docker on Ubuntu. So that's all from this video. We'll see you in another video.